Okay, here's another one of my speed rundowns on how to change some shit. 2012 F150 4x4 XLT front wheel bearing is fucking toast. Obviously, I got everything freaking loose. Anyway, brake caliper, use a 21 millimeter on that to take out the two big bolts back there. Pop those off, pop your caliper off. Don't have enough hands. Anyway, popping that. There are 4 bolts that come on the back, come through the back side of this. Oh, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. You can turn your wheel and have better access, but put some lube on them and put some strength behind it because they don't like to come out very freaking easy. But those, I utilize a 3/4 for. So you take those 4 out. There's actually a little Allen wrench that sits in the top for the brake sensor, and there's a small nut that goes on the front here. If I can find it, I can tell you what size it is. 13 millimeter. That just pops in there. You don't need to take that retaining clip out. So 4 bolts, Allen screw, 13 up front. Slide your freaking hub out, put your shit back together, and hope everything works. That's it. That's your 90-second how do you change out a freaking wheel hub on a Ford F-150. Later.